The way I do my job,
I would've
people
gone
get
home.
one warning.
Okay.
You got one warning. After that, I don't care.
Okay.
I'll ruin your day and take you to jail.
On March 17th, 2025, officers were dispatched after receiving multiple noise complaints in a neighborhood.
What's going on?
Not much, how are you?
Well, we got a noise complaint. Are you guys being loud?
I don't think so.
I mean, honestly, okay.
I think there was another police officer that said that there was a complaint of us being loud, and
If we're being
Yes.
completely
we
honest,
said we were having a casual
the
conversation.
man is probably from that man right there, isn't it?
I don't know. It just said noise complaint here in the median. I know this is the second call.
I know it's from that man, and I'm not trying to be mean. He's an asshole. And he keeps, we're literally just out here existing, and he is an asshole. And he is not happy that we're out here. For whatever reason.
All right, so keep it down.
You're not being
Get called again. Then we're going to have to start looking at disorderly type.
This moment right here is crucial. The officer gives what he believes is a warning. Keep it down or we move into disorderly conduct territory. Legally, noise complaints are civil issues until behavior escalates. What's important is intent and notice. Did she clearly understand this as a formal warning? Or did she see it as police appeasing a neighbor dispute? This gray area is where cases like this are born. Drop a comment. Do you think this warning was clear enough to justify what comes later?
Stuff.
Really? Okay.
If it's from the same person if it was multiple people, I would understand.
And I don't know.
I know it's
I'd have to go try to find who called.
I know for a fact both of them are from him. That is not our fault that he is just an asshole. If it was from multiple people in the area, okay, I would understand. But the fact that he is just being an asshole and saying something about us multiple times.
Did you have any interaction with him?
Yes, earlier. It wasn't even me. It wasn't even us. There were other people that live here.
Mm-hmm.
2 other women. They were outside and he came out and he was like, he was rude. He was rude. And they can vouch for that too. It was 2 other women.
Okay.
And then we have been here the whole time too. Sitting
We
over
haven't had
there.
any interactions with anybody.
Literally sitting over there.
Okay.
He had interactions with the 2 women, and
they're gone.
Yeah, I mean they're in their house now.
They live there.
Yeah, they live here.
Okay. Well, you guys are talking. Just keep it down.
Yes, sir.
So
I mean,
hopefully
we've been very
whoever it is doesn't
respectful.
call
We're
again.
just
All right.
talking amongst ourselves.
Social media wasn't
Hmm?
Social media
Yeah.
wasn't bothered.
All right.
After the officers left, the woman went to the door of the man she believed had made the complaint.
And this is where everything shifts. The moment she walks to that door, the situation transforms from passive complaint to active confrontation. Even if she feels justified, even if the neighbor is being unreasonable, knocking, ringing, and challenging opens the door to disorderly conduct claims. Emotionally, you can hear the frustration boiling over. Legally, though, intent doesn't cancel impact. Ask yourself, was confronting the neighbor worth the risk? Or was this the point of no return?
I'm not. I don't care about a neighborhood bully. I do not care.
It's not necessary now.
I don't care. Why don't you?
And
What? Huh? You're so quick to call the cops. Why are you so scared to have a little confrontation? Huh? Here we are. Let's go. I'll stand here all night. I don't care. Whatever you want. What are we doing? The cops back again?
Jesus Christ.
Oh, what'd they do? Call you again?
Yeah, what's going on?
Call you again because I'm knocking on the door?
Yeah, what's going on?
I'm trying to confront them about calling the cops on us, so I was knocking on their door.
Okay.
And they won't even.
Here's the shock moment. The handcuffs. The officer cites public intoxication, not just noise or trespass. In many jurisdictions, public intoxication doesn't require a breathalyzer, just observable behavior. Volume, repetition, refusal to disengage. Notice she keeps saying, "I'm not drunk," while also admitting she's been drinking all day. That contradiction matters. This is less about alcohol level and more about perceived loss of control. Was this enforcement or escalation?
The answer in here, they are calling you again to come to their door.
Okay, so what's the issue in the first place? Why were the cops called the first time?
Literally no issue. It was me and two other men who were sitting in those chairs
Okay.
waiting for the parade to start. We were minding our own business, nothing to do with them. This is the second time. That's one issue. The first issue, it was me and two other women who live here on this property. We were sitting over here. We were having our own time. I don't know who it was. I don't know either of them. One of the men came out and came up to us and was like, "You need to quiet down." It was not on their property. We were over there doing our own business.
I remember I just warned you what was going to happen if I came back.
No, you never said anything.
You're going in handcuffs.
For what?
Public drunkenness.
I am.
Come here. I'm not playing this game for the rest of the morning. Come here.
Guys, I literally.
Turn around.
Okay. Like, I do not understand what is the issue.
Being drunk in public is the issue.
This is the fourth call we've had here.
But it wasn't about me.
It's been about you this whole time.
No, I'm staying in that Airbnb right there. They were being ridiculous. They were me and two men sitting over there, minding our business. We were not doing anything. I promise, I was not doing anything.
26, one white female, 1095.
Now we're hearing the other side, and it couldn't be more different. Multiple calls, claims of singing, repeated disruptions, and doorbell ringing. This is where credibility becomes everything. Courts don't decide who's likable. They decide whose story is consistent. Notice how repetition is emphasized. 4 times, again, kept popping up. That pattern is what officers rely on in real time. Who do you find more believable here, based on what you've heard so far?
I don't know what to say. I was literally not doing anything. I'm staying at that Airbnb right there. They are being ridiculous. What is so wrong about that?
All right. Have a seat till we wait for a female to come and search you.
Okay. They were just being so mean. They were being so mean.
Unfortunately for you, it's not illegal to be an asshole. So.
But, like, what is illegal about me trying to talk to them?
It's illegal for you to be drunk in public.
I'm not.
All right, so I know there was a call, another officer rode.
Yes.
And then called back again. That's when I just told them, talked to them. I'm like, I know someone else was here.
Right.
If I come see you again, someone's going to jail. She's going to jail.
Yeah.
So what all transpired?
We were in here, sitting right here at the corner, like where at the end of my white fence, there were 3 chairs, I think. They're still there. And that's where they were. And she was being loud, and so I went out. And I think her sister and her mother, but probably her grandmother, was sitting there. They told her to quiet down. She continued. So they went inside. They're singing one of these.
And next thing I know, she just keeps popping up.
Yeah. So next thing we knew, she showed up with the guys out here in the median. And that's where someone came and spoke to them out there.
And they were continuing to be loud in the median.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you guys called 4 times?
3.
Or 3.
Then she came back up on the porch and she's over there. She's just threatening us.
The 4th
We're
time.
out here minding our own business and we ain't bothering nobody. I'm not taking anything from you bunch of bullies. I mean, I'm going, are you kidding? You come on my property?
Was she like pounding on your door at all?
No, she's ringing the doorbell constantly.
Okay.
And that was where it recorded her.
Bunch of bullies. And I'm sitting there thinking, I pay taxes here. We gotta go to work. What is wrong with you? Listen, I'm gonna tell you something. Once this is over, we have contacted the mayor, our alderman.
This exchange cuts to the heart of the case. Discretion. The officer insists a warning was given. She insists it wasn't clear or wasn't about this behavior. Police discretion is powerful, but it's also subjective. Once an officer decides compliance has failed, options narrow fast. Could this have ended with go home? Possibly. But legally, officers aren't required to choose the least dramatic option, only a lawful one. This is where authority and emotion collide.
Emailed the chief of police twice. Y'all have better things to do than this bunch of little shit like this.
You really think I deserve to be behind bars for this?
I warned you.
What do you mean? You never warned me.
The last time I was here, I said if I get called back, we would have to be looking at a disorderly charge, and I got called back not even 5 minutes after I left.
I didn't. Okay, can you not agree that those men are just ridiculous?
They're just trying to sleep. They have to work in the morning. All right, step out. Right over to the door.
It's too late for me to take a sobriety test. I didn't even want to take one. And I want to show you.
All right, wait over here along the wall.
Ridiculous. Those guys are assholes. Those guys are assholes. I bet if you ask every neighbor around them, they will agree with me. I'm just the one who had balls to go to their front door and knock on the door. And it's St. Patrick's Day. Of course we're on the media and talking. We're just hanging out, waiting. I don't understand why that's such an issue. Why should I have to go to jail for that? It's ridiculous. I hope you feel really good about this. I hope you feel really good. There's murderers, there's drunk drivers, there's so many bad people downtown right now, and you're gonna arrest me? You.
So here's where this case lands. The woman is charged with public intoxication and disorderly conduct based on repeated complaints, escalation to direct confrontation, and officer judgment at the scene. Whether you see this as over-policing or self-inflicted escalation depends on how you weigh personal responsibility versus police discretion. The bigger takeaway: warnings matter. Behavior after police leave matters even more. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom and police encounter breakdowns.
I'm just enforcing your decisions.
You could have easily been like, hey, go home. I was right next door. No, I was right next door. When I was on their porch, you could have been like, hey, leave, or I'm arresting you. If you would have said, hey, leave, or I'm arresting you, I would have gone home.
The way I do my job,
I would have gone home.
The way I do my job, people get one warning.
Okay.
You got one warning. After that, I don't care.
Okay.
I'll ruin your day and take you to jail.
Okay. Cool. I hope you feel really good about that. Good for you. Good for you. Fucking asshole.
Trust me, I've been called a whole lot worse.
Trust me, I've dealt with a lot worse than you. You have no idea. This is so silly. You could have literally just told me, hey, go home, and I would have went to bed.
You had that opportunity.
How easy that would have been?
I gave you a warning.
That was so different than what was going on. And also, those men are assholes.
So everything you're telling me, you will have your day in court to tell the judge.
Whatever.
Hello.
How are you?
Great. How are you this morning? She'll let her bottom.
She does?
Yeah, she will.
Go ahead and turn and face the wall for me, please.
We don't have quotas. This is whatever we do.
Paperwork for no reason?
Not for no reason, just to get you to stop causing trouble.
Oh, for you to make the gay neighbors feel better about themselves. Good for you.
It's a guy and a woman. They're not gay.
Oh, they're definitely gay.
It's a guy and a woman.
Not that that matters. My brother's gay. I don't know. That has.
Well, I don't know why you're calling them that if they're not.
Those guys are assholes.
It's a guy and a woman. Public drunkenness and disorderly conduct.
I literally want y'all to give me a sobriety test right now.
That is not needed. You definitely will not.
No, I've been drinking all day. I know I have. That has nothing to do with it. But people.
Thank you.
You videoing me?
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, thanks.
I mean, you did it to yourself, not the other way around.
I'm just trying to be honest.
I mean,
I'm
nothing
not
wrong with
saying-
being honest. I mean,
I'm not so excited.
Well, if you notice, I've not asked you a single question. It's all been voluntary statements.
The woman was charged with public intoxication and disorderly conduct.